Hello, Tulsa. It's Jenny Wolek with the Wolek Group, Keller Williams Realty Advantage. I am actually just driving to a listing appointment today, and I just ran into a friend that I've known since high school, and she is in the real estate business as well, and she flips houses. And she was mentioning the challenge that she is having finding great homes to buy, to put some lipstick on them and make them pretty and then sell again. So that's known as flipping. And I also had a text from another friend and client of ours that she's also in the same business and also having the same challenge. So I just thought this would be a great video to share a moment with you guys of if you have a home that probably in order to sell it, it needs a little love. It needs to be updated, fixed up a bit, and you just don't want to put the time, energy, or money into doing it, and you do want to sell your house, then go ahead and hit us up at the Wolek Group, because we have a whole database, whether it's investors, flippers, or even just clients that are looking for a home that they see they can make some updates over time, but maybe get it for a more affordable price right now. So that is my message to you today. If you have a home that you are thinking about making a move and you just don't want to undertake all that goes into getting it ready, spending the money to make it pretty, to get it sold for the highest amount of money, reach out to us, because we can help. And we can help you with any kind of home you have or any kind of home buying needs you have. So have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. 918-706-9845. Bye.